Why are you taping me? You're supposed to be taping this. So we got this little scooter, this little girl scooter. We're gonna put this motor on it because we fried the other one, hooking it up to 48 volts, the factory motor. Gonna put it in there right about there. Cut the battery tray off because it was gonna hit. So I'm gonna re-weld that on a little bit higher. Somewhere in that general vicinity. I'm gonna use this angle. Put a piece right there, piece right there. Drill holes in it. Weld her up. And we'll have a 1,000-watt motor on the little girl scooter. For professionals. This is how you do it. You don't need any special clamps or put it in a vise or anything like that. Piece here, and a piece here, and that's going to be our new motor mount. I'd like to drill these holes before I weld this stuff all together. Then bolt the brackets onto the motor, set it in there, tack it, then take the motor off. Approximate location right there. Okay. Probably have to drill those out a little bit more like that. Okay, drilling time. to the hardware store and we got bolts now. Alright, so we got the brackets on here, bolted onto the motor. Got them all shaped properly. It's just gonna, boom, sit on there just like that. One nut. My nut! My nut! Two nuts. Oh. And then get these nuts. These nuts. Fucking sticker. Why are we doing that? Alright. Now that that's taken care of, those bolts are going to be hot as fuck. Ouch, 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 ouch. It looks like I'm throwing it. It's all welded. Ready to bolt in now. Tom's zooming in on my shitty welds. This will be a lot better than just using little spacers in there. Alright, we got our battery tray in here. Tack welded it in place. We had to move it up a little bit because it was going to hit the motor. We got plenty of clearance now. We should have enough room up on top, hopefully. Got it back to its home now. We just threw a quick coat of paint on there to cover up the welds and the bare spots where we took the paint off. Alright, so we got it all back together now. It's working. We put these cool flame decals on it. Now it's ready for its first test. It's recording. Oh God. Got way more torque.
That back tire is like all the way sagging to the ground.
You got it.